Previously
Simula,
at
number
NACM
7,
48.
any person, whether Filipino or foreigner, who knowingly allows the use, adoption, or implementation of plans, designs, or specifications made by any person, firm, partnership, or company not duly licensed to engage in the practice of architecture. Example, as illustrated, tatlo naman yung personalidad. Si owner, si contractor, at si student. Si owner, tsaka si contractor, nag-partner sa isang business. At ang kanilang business, design, build, and sell. Malaki raw kasi ang kita sa design, build, and sell. Ngayon, si owner, kukuha lamang ng larawan from the internet. Maybe sa Pinterest, sa Instagram, or sa Facebook, ibibigay niya ito sa isang estudyante. Ipapadraft niya. Ngayon, pagka-draft ni estudyante, kukunin ngayon ni owner, pagpapartneran nila ni contractor, magtatayo na sila ng kanilang bahay na kanilang ibebenta. In such situation, ladies and gentlemen, the contractor and the owner are liable for the 7th Criminal Act under unlawful practice of architecture. Now, if the student knows of the modus operandi, that student is also liable under the 7th Criminal Act of Section 29. Now, let's tweak the example. Huwag na natin gawing student. Sabihin na natin na yung isang personalidad, si architect, pero expired na yung license niya. Okay. Now,